Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to take your website offline on Squarespace. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Squarespace, I want you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Taking your Squarespace website offline can be done temporarily or permanently depending on your needs. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the main dashboard. That's going to be located on the upper right corner beside the profile icon. Now, you just have to select the website that you wanted to be offline for the meantime. For example, this one right here. I want you to click on the three dots icon and click on settings. You would notice that here on the site availability, you can select who can view your site. Now, for example, the website has already been published. If you want to take that offline temporarily, all right, all you have to do is click on set to unpublished, all right? Or you might want to put in the password protected so anyone with the password can see the site. So basically, the site is not available on public viewing. If you do that, you would be able to take your website offline, basically. Or click the private wherein only contributors can see the site. So basically, that's taking the website offline. All right, so that's two ways. Another option is going to be click on the billing section right here, and there's going to be subscriptions. If you click that, if you are subscribed to a premium plan, for example, like a paid one, right now I'm using the free plan, so I don't have anything to cancel. But if you do have, for example, this, all I have to do is cancel the subscription, cancel trial, and that would automatically put your website on hold or put your website offline. So these are some of the ways for you to make sure that your website is offline and no one can access it. Now, another option is, again, hover to the website. In this case, go to the pages section. If you wanted to disable specific pages, for example, this, the home page, there's going to be an option that says enable page, all right? And the password. It is required to see this page. If you put a password, nobody can access this specific page here, all right? No one, and of course, that means you're taking it offline for the viewers not to see your visitors. So that's two ways. Or you can simply click on the trash icon, and what will happen is, for example, this page will be forwarded to the trash, and that means you're taking care of the website to go online or until further notice. All right? And again, by following all of these methods, you can effectively take your Squarespace website offline, either temporarily or permanently, depending on your needs. Now, if you have specific questions or needs for their assistance, I highly suggest you contact the Squarespace customer support if you're having problems taking your website offline, and they will give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.